Hello friends, welcome to my channel Social Share Education. In this video, we will write an autobiography on eraser. Let me introduce myself. I am a small, simple eraser, but I have a big role in your life. I was born in a factory where soft rubber was shaped carefully into a neat little blocks. After that, I was packed into a box with many others like me and sent to a stationery shop. One day, a cheerful student bought me along with pencils, notebooks, and sharpener. That is when my real journey began. At first, I was clean, bright, and perfect. I felt proud sitting inside a pencil box. Soon, my friend, the pencil, started making mistakes while writing. That's when I got my chance to help. Whenever the pencil made an error, I gently rubbed over it and made it disappear. It made me happy because I knew I was helping the student learn and improve. But my life is not always easy. Every time I erase something, a tiny part of me disappears. Slowly, I became smaller and lose my shape. Sometimes I even get dirty, worn out. Still, I never complain. My purpose is to correct mistakes, so I do it with pride. Sometimes children drop me, break me, or even lose me. That makes me sad. But when I am used properly and kept safely, I feel valued and important. I may be small, but I teach a big lesson. Everyone makes mistakes, and it is okay to correct them. Just like I erase errors, you too can learn from your mistakes and become better every day. So, next time you use me, remember I am not just an eraser, I am your silent helper and a symbol of improvement. Thank you so much for your valuable time.